Gigi. What's on your mind today? Hi, Chelsea. I'm trying to write a story, but my sentences feel all jumbled. It's like they're missing something important to hold them together. Gigi, you are missing conjunctions. They're the glue that holds ideas together in a sentence. Glue? That sounds useful. Can you show me how they work? Of course. Let's explore the magic of conjunctions together. Conjunctions are special words that connect parts of a sentence. Let's start with three common ones: and, but, and or. Oh! Like when I say, I love apples and bananas? Exactly. And adds information. It's like stacking your favorite snacks on a plate. What about but? But shows a difference. For example, I wanted to run outside, but it started raining. And or helps you choose, like, would you like juice or milk? Wow! Conjunctions make sentences so much clearer. Let's play a game, Gigi. I'll show you a sentence with a blank, and you pick the right conjunction. I'm ready, Chelsea. I like mangoes, I don't like papayas. The answer is but. Correct. Next one. Shall we paint, draw? That's or. I'm doing great. You are. Conjunctions are everywhere. Look for them in your books and conversations. Thanks, Chelsea. Now my story will be amazing. You're welcome, Gigi. Conjunctions connect your ideas beautifully. What's the conjunction in this sentence? I went to bed early because I was tired. The conjunction is because. Great job if you got it right.